Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love guys, blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, or anywhere you're watching from. Yes guys, so it's a day and it's a news like this where we will be breaking, you know, it's really sad to say. I don't know if you guys remember, it's one of the members them that used to be around the team. Yeah, we call him Painter. He used to be the one that used to paint as well too. We call him Painter. Sometimes you will call him Rumlord. You know, he used to be around the team as well too. I think on the early stages of when we was doing anti-Dana project, you know, this Dana project in the early stages, you know, I think those were the last time he was been around the team and them times, you know. So I'm gonna show you some flash footage of him.
Yeah.
It's been a while, you know. Since Rum, Barry, and Darcy.
Yeah.
You know? Like when face happy. Right, my own and his car now.
Yeah.
Friend.
You see him friend I know.
Yeah.
Bust it now, man, Painter, man. Sure. Yeah.
Speed up, you know.
Alright.
You know, it's a double energy, you know.
Yeah.
And as we say, you know, just one donuts then.
Same, man.
Long time. Oliver, Carla, Ricardo,
Yeah.
Large,
To
Pablo.
the world. Our condolences go out, Pablo.
It's in Pablo. Condolence, you know, me general. Every time. Don't know me deal.
See there.
So it's a blessing, you know. We're happy again.
Rumlord, every time the camera catch you, your days.
Yeah.
Come here, man. Come here.
Come here.
I know something alright, you know. I know when something alright today in a Painter. Wow, man. Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, man.
So every time the camera catch you, you see the zone out, your head down, you're sleeping, you're not feeling, not looking well. Everything is alright, right? But you don't want to talk to him about off camera. You laugh. Want to talk to him about off camera? Alright. I'm testing, let me see you look down there. If your mind change, let me know. Right? Alright. He might ask him, I tell him, say, alright, like,
cool, and I said, good on the holy parade.
yeah. Well, off camera, I tell me what I go on, you know, because I'm what they don't look too.
Alright, man.
Yeah, and I rum, I can't rum. Yeah. I just say Bramel walk, now him sit down. I like Painter. Cheese! As Painter walk, now him sit down.
Why you say that?
Can't walk too long again and can't finish over too much right now. Yeah, since him stop drink the rum.
Painter, get what? Weak.
Since him stop drink the rum.
And I'm strong him forget.
Yeah. He live up on the roads. Yes, sir. Alright, let's watch and see. The last him wheel too shovel. Nah, that's straight there again. that. Rum lad with the strength in them finger as well too. So you see it? Yeah. Painter. Strength, wait tell them say strength. Painter the energy. Energy. Painter sweat. Painter how was that?
Wonderful.
Yes, you can continue.
Yeah, man.
Alright then.
You know, and then the new viewers, them, you know, he used to be a part of the team as well during them early times. You know, and you know, we always give thanks and we appreciate everything that everyone gives in. So we never really forget, you know, where everything was coming from and where it is, you know, because it's sad to know that he passed away, you know. He passed away with he was sick. Like, this was literally he found out late as well too. He was going through some pain, you know, but he's a man that liked to keep everything to himself, you know, and think so he kept everything to himself. He was going through a bad stage, so he found out him have what's it called, pancreatic cancer, you know. So it's called pancreatic cancer, you know, and that's like literally behind the lungs and everything, you know. So that's what causes death, you know, of cancer. It's called pancreatic cancer. So you can research it, you know, you can Google it, or you can get some information about what type of cancer that is, you know. So I guess now when them find out, you know, it already reached that far, you know, it was so far away that it's like it was beyond repair, you know, on the stages that it was, you know, when they found out that he got the cancer. You know, it's really, really sad because, you know, cancer is taking a lot of life, and we have to always really in tune with our health, you know, and what's going on, you know. So Painter, you know, who he was one of them ones. Once he was around the team, you know, he used to give his all, you know, he used to give his all, give his love, and he give his support, you know. He's one of them genuine ones, you know, who give his all and give his support while he was here on the team, you know. So it's really sad to know that we lost a life, you know. A life is lost, you know, and through health issue as well too. So pancreatic cancer, I never really know that, heard about it, and I never known of it, you know, till when time we got the news and find out that was the situation, and then I kind of Google it, and I realized, wow, you know. So it's kind of one of those deadly ones, you know. So his name is, we'll call him Painter, aka Rum Lord. You know, some people know him as Bromwell, some know him as Terry. You know, and we call him Rum Lord, and some call him Painter. You know, it's tough to take. It's really, really tough to take, you know. So it's a case like this. I hate doing breaking things like this, you know. It's never easy breaking stuff like this when someone passed away. It's just something we have to always deal with, you know, when it's come on to such thing as we call life. You know, it come in life, it come with death, you know. But it's always tough to talk about when someone passed away, you know, because that situation where you don't really know what to say, to be honest. You know, you don't really know what to say when someone passed away, you know. But sometimes it was, I don't know, you know, but that scares a lot to know that we really have to take care of our health, guys. We really do, you know, we really have to take all the checks that we need to check, you know. Even if we think we're not feeling certain pain or we think we're alright, we still need to do some check, you know, just to prevent, you know, doing a lot of stuff, you know, watch our intake, you know, sometimes stress plays a part as well too, you know, there's so much things that can cause to trigger off these stuff, you know, and then once you check up on pancreatic cancer, I know you guys probably have an idea already about it, you know, most of you, so just tell me what you think, you know, in the comment section, and please, you know, send your condolence, you know, in the comment section for Painter, you know, it's really, really sad. I know most of you probably remember him, you know, from the early days as well too. You know, so it's also one of those things. You know, I hate breaking these news. I really, really do. You know, I wish I never have to break none of these news to no one about anyone passing away. You know, trust me. Something good to break about. So blessed love, guys, blessed love. So I'm gonna say you're gonna see some flash footage of him, you know, and most of you probably remember him. Some of you new to the program, you know. Some of you probably been here for like a year, you know. Some new, so you probably have no idea of who I'm talking about, you know, about this there, you know. So blessed love, guys, blessed love. So dream team, one team, you know, the journey continues, guys. The journey really continues. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're here in Trenchtown. So I'm gonna drop off a donation to Roche's sister, and I also got a footwear, a foot support, you know, from Rosemary for Cranberry Dad, as I'm gonna head to that direction. So I'm just gonna drop it off, you know, that foot support for the dad can wear for his feet, you know, from Rosemary. So but
But before I do that, I'm gonna drop off this donation first, and then I'd go up there. Cool. And then I'd go up there. The sun is hot. Evening.
You know, Sarah.
She not pay by you.
Sarah,
How your teeth a baby here? A baby and look like you.
I'm my baby boy.
How your teeth a baby there? Are the wrong baby them give you know?
All right, baby.
I never know so they make this mistake. And where a baby there?
Sarah, baby.
I don't feel a baby that. I don't feel a baby that at all. No, seriously?
Yeah, my baby.
They make a mistake, man. And there's a mistake they
Kino
make.
knows you're coming on the same hotel.
Kino find somebody for the program for take the baby.
May make the father here.
Why they give them Nautica? Eh?
It's a Nautica?
One godfather and godmother. Can't come in and do
Come, Candy, me have something for you. Alright then, so Candy, me have $10,000 here for you.
Yeah.
From Lucky Star. From New York. You know, so this is $10,000 here for you from Lucky Star from New York.
Lucky Star, thank you very much for this. I appreciate it and thanks.
So we give thanks to Lucky Star from New York. Thank you so much. You know, so we see who is fit and Candy know she can make use and do something with it.
Yeah.
You know, how she go on the road and think.
The button of them similar print some button, so I get them sort out. Yeah, may I do them, yeah. May I do them. Tomorrow I go, they come here, yeah. I'm going to deal with the button of them.
How when the funeral again? The
We are
date?
going to
15th of June. And came on the 15th of June. He said the guy around here said the 15th.
I don't know about that.
You know, I said the 15th, so I say, everybody know Chef Mother, so they still I hear that the mom not really suggest say.
How she find out?
Eh?
You find out about that? Is that true?
Kim Won is like she like him daughter and I was friend, and she say can get the 15th of June, but she say she take her like she tell her about 3 times. I say change the date, cause the big woman that I call her mother funeral and thing, understand? But if everybody can compromise and thing, you don't know, because the two seller they check, I'm not telling them they really want to work, but the gentleman, the man funeral around there, and you see some man telling like they really don't want to work. Because I see when them are them in there with them and thing, I really want to work.
But that's tough if you two of them on the same day.
Yeah. It's that tough to see the two of them, and then you like not see the 15th, so that's it. No man.
I asked one about Chef and say if I saw it for true. And the first me other one then.
I got me I say so me from last time I for call you and say it, you know, but those true you kinda busy around here. I never get to say it here, you know.
Yeah.
And still, you know, and so I said you know say the 15 if Kino I eat it for me I say Kevin man Kino no know about it, you know. Man Kino no know about it.
But so at least say to wow Chef then.
Me no carry can not say to it. Him not say to it.
I just see him today.
Yeah,
I go from inside.
Yeah, not say to it. So I really want them that they behind her and we the behind them the other week. You understand? Because it's really nice and
It's better that way more than two of them on the
you don't know,
same
because you don't know Valley pass off before him, so fair date set before you. You understand? Long time. You see? So I'm not telling you, I really want them there behind me and we the behind them the next Sunday. You understand?
Yeah.
And thing, that way I say. But Ricardo not say to it. So I tell Tiffany say, Ricardo, you say to it, so we don't know for something possible. You understand? We don't know for that But if you don't find out a record, then you put more still.
Yeah. Fine on. That's the best if we can 2 different dates.
I really don't want to behind them and then the behind you. Understand? We rotate the 2 funeral then. Because Valley one done set already. No man, I can't the 15th of June. Because I say, wow, chef, mother, that's so. Understand? And so we say for the 15th, we really want them there behind we, and then that Sunday them could have, then that Sunday we have them behind them for so. But we don't know still, you understand, we just all here, we don't know because Keenan never say nothing, and Ricardo never come say nothing until you understand.
I find out I make it
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we give thanks to Lucky Star, you know, for blessing World Chef's sister, you know. So guys, so we're gonna drop off these slippers, you know, and yes, and just head to Marma River and just drop that off and then come back, because I need to give something for another day. Esther! Yes guys, so and Esther mom is feeling much better now as well too, because it's the flu. Yeah, so her mom did have the flu, so her mom feel much better than before, you know. So it was the flu, so we thank the Lord it's nothing worse, you know. So it was just the flu. So you know, sometimes the flu go around, you know. But yeah, so Marma River, I'm gonna hit you now guys, so stay tuned. Like watercolor chain, it come down. Alright guys, so just reach down, just touch down in the airport. Just next pine gone, them go on with it, yeah. Them keep on taking away the pine. This is the pine we got no control over. Yeah, we got no control over this pine. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here. Been some rain way up in the hills, so I guess they just said the river, the water kind of changed. There's some rain up in the hills, as you can see. There's not too many sun as well too shining on this side. You know, changes. Someone getting a lot of steel. Somebody have a toilet here, so. So rain up in the hills somewhere. Yeah. Up in the hills.
As you can see, water color change. Eh? What that?
The slipper smell like food. On the tour and tell you what I'm going to read my sleep. River come and
Water brown. I can tell them I really put on weight. All my pants feel tight for me. Okay. Really put on weight. Okay. Seems like I'm putting on a lot of weight or something. My pants is getting tight. You know, I could even step across the river a while ago. Only if you could see me. Oh damn. Right across I could step. I feel like I could even lift up my feet. Just imagine that. I couldn't even lift my feet up. Listen to the river sound a bit. Yeah. Hey, Lord. Guys, you see that come right on my face a while ago, so I look around and I'm frightened, you know. Yeah, frightened, guys. The dog come right at my face. Yes, a while ago, you know. I swear the dog come right at my face. I look around. That's, yeah. The boy almost come kiss me. A browning, a she. A woman, see her there? Yeah, it's browning almost kiss me. See her there circle. Guys, they have worship over there as well too. So worship is there, Esther is here, and boom. So we're going to listen to the sound of the river flow. So right now I'm relax. I go and listen to the sound of the river flow. Listen to the sound of the river flowing down my window, drinking strong back juice. This is the strong back roots. Strong back. This strong up your back. Strong back. Conference. So guys, I'm just spending a minute down here before I go up by Cranberry. So this is my habit now. Whenever I come here, I try to chill by the river first for a bit, you know, get in some fresh air and then head up here after that. Let's go. Oh no, we'll go check them. Eh?
Reservation at the Iceland.
Oh. No, son, I struggle with other pants, sir. Oh, people wear tight pants. I don't know how them man wear tight pants. Put on a pants here, come like a boy keen growing weight on. What happened? Yeah, look out. Them dead, man. Let me see my man. Puff puff pass. Browning. Stuff. Hey, time boy. Guys, I don't know how man wear tight pants, boy. It's very struggling. Guys, like I put on some weight. Now this pants here, as I can see. Like when I was putting it on, me like it feel full. You know? Feel full. In a show like it's tight, but I just feel full. So you know, say, why can't I put on some weight? You know? And I play football so often. So it's like I need to run more. Anyway, you going to school today? Evening. And a cranberry, that. A raspberry. Charge. One charge. Oh, it's entirely inside. Oh. But I'm not like guys. I need to run up and down more because I look walk that while ago. I look what the cranberry. See me a sweat. Me. You don't see no sweat for me? Oh, say me you don't see nothing. Look, I'm sweating. Hot. Struggle to come up with here. I need a donkey. You know? You ever had a donkey before? Donkey. You ever had a donkey before, little man? I used to ride so much donkey, you know, and I used to ride Westmoreland as a younger child. Yeah, my family don't get them up donkey. I used to use a donkey to go Spring Esther to catch water. Yeah. Whenever we catch water at spring, donkey we use in our Westmoreland. Yeah, you catch water at spring, dog, we use a donkey to carry the water. You know, trip. Poor donkey. You know? Alright, the donkey they live long still. No lie. So Cranberry, what's cooking today? Nothing. You not cook today? What is?
Dumpling.
We not cook today, man, because we not get no food.
Dumpling.
Yeah.
Something with the chicken foot.
Oh.
Starfish.
Oh. Yes. Stand up for your life. Oh, in your finished style.
Yeah, just
the edges.
He felt something was wrong and stood up quickly. He started asking Peter questions. Peter confessed everything. The father got scared and told his wife.
Oh yeah, I had from around here to talk.
Before the wife could understand anything, the father felt shark hate in his stomach. The wife didn't know what to do. The man fell on the table and vomited Within 1
Take
minute,
it over
he
this
thought
one
his
as well.
wife got
Take it
scared,
over.
grabbed a
Who's
knife,
that?
and
Who's
ran
that?
toward Peter. But before she could
Yeah.
catch him, the poison made her
Check out
weak.
that.
Peter kicked his
Yes.
mom down the stairs. A knife stabbed her heart, and she also died. Peter did all this just to get the storeroom. He had seen a hole in his robe.
And then
His
where we
parents had
yesterday,
locked up his
the
room.
second Saturday I was
He
there.
had never seen her.
That what teacher said. She said, what happened when one leave? She said, she now was tapped for real, you know. True, we are running today.
Yeah.
So she may have take them out.
Okay.
She had age, she said, just help her pull them out. And just, when we done run, we put them back in.
Oh, she in her room today. Oh. What kind of...
Yesterday, me have ball for Ella, me and Jaysha and I.
What sports day?
So, like so, look come and make it see, like so. I
Okay.
walk over a bucket and drop it in a bucket. Who lose it? Who lose?
Yeah, we know that sports day.
I'm a win.
And
Yes, I
you can see.
can. One time I drop the
I'll
ball.
key that on the ground.
They do a key.
So
So
what
I
do-
put it in here.
See there on the ground, just take it out.
Yeah, my one, not mine. Not mine. So
So that's the edges them here, cut and fill in now.
Push key that feel like that. Put it up. Me I put on a lot, there was something go wrong on it. Me don't know, so I have to make fun of it.
Which one, this?
Yeah, that one.
Spoil?
No, that's why it's like sitting stuck in it. So it now spin.
Oh. So make somebody know about it then.
Yeah.
Put it down cranberry.
In the attitude.
Or the place at. But think I need it at the
No,
place
don't
at.
make so cool and I run.
Hot. Oh, so two different places the water come from. Roll this so and right there so.
No,
Are the same?
before I see him run, I just surf come down.
Chucky in another room.
No, I'm
Never
going around
run them,
there.
I never pull around there and fix make the water dirty.
Then he said, river come
River
down.
come down.
The saga be a leaf in the water come down.
Yeah, because I see them come out with the mesh and so like them go clean the pool.
Oh. Charge it. Me get you know that. This is what I brought for you. As I'm passed by. So this is for where you can rape on your feet. For the support. Rosemary. So it's like a slippers like.
Slippers. Just keep all the pressure off.
Yeah. So you can thank Rosemary from the USA.
Yes, Rosemary from the USA, give thanks very much. But if I love on them and give thanks.
Yeah.
I'm going to clean all the things. I'm going to go down some Monday and I'm going to go and play some. Yeah, but down there's a holy more deer and fish clean now. Yeah. Can you be that as a fish more a good place too, but I don't. Yeah, one thing it more. Fish a private place, but it's deer like the out. You see the one down the Liga and
Yeah.
So deer. I just to see doctor alone.
Okay.
Just
See doctor alone. Yeah. Come in the donation for you the other day.
Yeah, so me there go down there, man.
So what them a say?
I see him brought about I say fish more better deeper money me go pay down there so go deeper test and and they don't run through deeper test fish already. Yeah.
Okay.
So I say the process of fish and it more cheaper fish $25,000. The one of them a fish. She's our best player. Yeah. He said that's one of the best players.
And then somebody tell me about one next place in a half a tree. Esther, what the place name again half a tree?
And after
St. Joseph. Oh, St. Joseph. So them have some Cuban eye doctor down there. Somebody called me and tell me so them have some Cuban eye doctor down there. But even though them list is like 6 to 9 months on a waiting list.
Okay, holy power.
Yeah, because somebody called me and tell me, you know.
Yeah, even down there, so me I go get a date, I go get it, but through my process done, I go to a fish already.
Yeah, so they must speed up them.
Yeah.
Alright then. Yeah, because I don't want to wait too long, you know.
Yeah,
you know.
the process which is I go to the fish.
So guys, so I want to thank Rosemary, you know, for this foot support, you know, for the dad for his feet, you know. So this is how it is. So basically you put it on, you just lock on the foot, you know. So like put your foot in it, Got the foot still as well up.
Yeah, you have to ease up some of the pressure fight, you know, that a soon up on the earth, wicked stuff. One time now pressure, it a heal up in a cloud, so it a pressure.
Yeah.
I swear.
That's it.
That's all.
That's all. Look like it come big.
Oh, that's all. Too damn tall. Too damn tall. Yeah, too damn tall.
Tall.
Boy, feel light and comfortable too.
Feel light and comfortable?
Yeah, this feel light and comfortable.
So that will take off with your pressure?
Yeah, take off the pressure too.
The main thing we just keep off some pressure for the foot because that's swell more and more.
Yeah. That's more and more. As soon as the rest go down, when start acting again,
swell more and more, boy. You see the bag here. So we give thanks to Rosemary, you know, we thank you so much, you know, for that support for the feet, you know, so it said feel like a bit lighter.
Thanks again, yeah, feel light and comfortable.
So we give thanks for that, Rosemary, we give thanks, you know, guys, as you can see, in your kitchen, tile out now, you know, so that's the edges them leave, you know, for the daddy to finish out the edges them. So this is the kitchen. Slowly but surely, you know, as you can see, I must say the dad is really struggling with his feet, you know, and his eye as well too, you know, so that's why you see. And as I say, guys, most of the times when you see me coming here, like, I come here like literally like in the evening, because when you see me coming with Boom or Worship, them literally coming from work, you know, and then most of the members them that always been around, them always there on the work as well too, you know, the one try to make them ends meet, so everyone is going on them roast, you know, to always go to work. So when I really have anybody who could bring, you know, to come give him assistance, you know, try to help him a bit, because everyone is on the road now doing a thing. You know, so you know it goes already sometimes, so you can't stop a man from going on the road to go and get them food, you know, but that's the reason why we don't get one and two of them to come here to come give him a support, because they're going on the road literally to put in their work. So that's where it is, you know. That's where it is. Cran. Are you good there? Eh? Yeah. Nah, change your uniform. So how was school today, miss? Nice. So tell me what you do to that school.
Test.
Test? What kind of test you do?
Something there. Practice the test.
You study? So when you go do the test?
No, she said she had to tell me when it start.
When it start?
No, when Nana one start already, you know. Friday and today. So when Friday come, Nana for the fair one and then mine.
Nana, come here. I want to have tests? I go to school?
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow you have the test?
Yeah, today she do it at the teacher. She never bother.
Oh. So Cranberry, you go to fair one as well too?
No, when fair one done. I'm sure my book right now.
Let me see. Let me see your book. I want to see what she go on with, guys. Let me see her book. So let me see the book. Yes guys, so today wasn't a planned trip to come up here, but just because she just pick up the slippers, the thing for the dad, you know, because let me say me come and drop it off. You know, that's why I just head on and come drop it. You know, because literally I was planning to stay at home today and see if I could actually get a little sleep in the day. You know, because it's been a while I've been rest during the day, so I was planning on do that, but then I got the phone call because through the ladies leave the country, she left it with someone, so I have to go quickly to go pick it up. You know, so that's why I may end up coming up here as well. You know, and I really got some donations to go and write out and give out also. You know, so I got things to do as well. Can't find a book? Shop asthma?
Yeah, should have we use. I yesterday I have end up run go buy one of the pump itself, but I couldn't believe so much them selling for on the road itself. About 2,000 other feet. If I buy 2 of them, but I have to end up buy one. Bring enough money for buy. So I just have to make sure take that one, you know. Normally when she start with, I have to bring her in the night.
So shall wheeze now?
Yeah.
So it's a regular thing, always happens sometime?
When she in a river, or she had to come out sunbath. Or she run up along, you see she start wheeze. But you just need to relax.
Yeah, you need to sleep. So a long time she travel with that?
Just when she get a little bigger, about 5, my sister she start wheeze. You know, so one time I did down the river, and the day when she start wheeze, one lady tell myself to go up and use the onion, grate it, and gear it. But one night she da wheeze, I'm gonna end up grate it and gear it. When I gear it down, my sister it kind of get it down, so she normally eat the onion raw. But the onion raw too.
Osh, Nana, osh. Try to sleep. So, who's a car phone? So, Tara, beg us some now? Tara, can I have some? Tara, the pot. Tara, no ramping food. Tara, give me some out of the pot now. Tara. Tara, give me some now. Tara, fix things in the pot. Tara.
She sick, Nana normally wash it, but me wash it. What? Me I pray for you.
What she for do? Wash the plate?
For Nana, because today Nana there, but you Nana sick, me that tell her wash them, but me wash them, make sure stay. Because if you sick, your sister that help you.
See, I forgot help your sister like how she sick them cranberry. Yeah, I forgot help. Because clear cough you know go on, man. Toko cough and Nana cough. Cranberry, let me see your book where you're going with me, the book now.
Two of the book them.
2 of the book them. What I go on, pan? That I go on. So what is this here right here?
This, I'm a teacher write this on the board, I will write it back off.
Oh, teacher write on the board and write it back off?
I'm going to make them tear the paper about is see that 2 times we make her write them back over. See that again, watch out. Different.
So if you are going to do a test, you going to study?
See that? This is a different one, this is a different one. Tomorrow, I might give it different. Something right down off of the board. Time ask me how me go out for breaks time. I said, sir, me don't want to break, me alright.
Go and
I
ride
have to write on my rock. I'm not care about it.
Good. Focus on your
Time
school.
same for make my mother do that one now. See, my name is Paris.
So that's your homework.
Yeah.
Today is hot. For some reason, today is really, really hot. I'm not even lying. Today is hot. Yeah, you have to help her with it to come on. You always help her with it?
You know?
No? Sometimes.
Sometimes I do. If you come in there, my mother make me do it from the phone on my app. I'll write them. I me do this myself. I'm going to say the someone. Who goes to my apartment.
Yeah, so look, man, I'll give you a helping hand.
See that again. What are we? Why must give me two and she not get the next penny there too? Why? I try again. Get B shot.
My pencil.
Where am I my pencil? Ah, no,
Nana.
what am I pencil in school with the teacher?
Toko, you sick too?
Where?
Check for my pine. Check on the pine. Pine is getting bigger. Yeah. You were Miss Tara. The way them angry a cat there.
No, you're not looking pencil, you know.
Can't find a pencil?
You're not pencil in your bag.
You know pencil in your bag, so we use. So we pencil we use at school.
No, you're right.
So we your pencil we use
I
at school.
left my pencil at school. I'm a member. I'm a teacher at the class. So come on, take me at that class and go.
What's up with the puppies? What's up with the puppies? Catch. Oh yeah, the catch. We are the pit dad.
You can't come bend it.
Chris, all the dog feeding finish? Look at drop leave. Like how much? She can need the next bag?
Yes, look at my route out 1 kilo. But then say no route it out, the man say
I use a root it out camera.
I forgot plant it then, right?
yeah.
a
And
root,
tell
yeah?
him say pick Barack
I
one.
use a root.
Stop. Mr.
Alright,
Root
you
it. Bend it down.
So they can use it in here?
No, my mother.
Are your mother?
Want it for the father.
Alright, then. So they can plant it. Alright?
Where is it then?
Look
Bye.
at right there, so. I met them plant it, man.
I don't make it.
I got plant it.
So the one I
Plant it and water it.
Yeah. So no, forget no more. Yes, man.
Alright.
Yes, man. Alright, no come now.
I said, you get big like food we want.
Well, no, man.
Daddy. Oh, daddy. Me ask if I can make up with me.
Make up video?
Yeah.
Make up video for what?
Buy one cornflakes.
Cornflakes?
Oh, the small bag come.
No, the big one. Big one, sir, boy.
Much you sell it for?
6 million.
No, my mother tell her she said for make. I ask her about because she buy them.
They will eat it.
I have some more money and so. And she said for ask her for make up with me. So yeah, when I go down there, just ask her. Don't you want this one?
Wally buy root no camera.
Hold it good now. Now for just plant it. No, don't hold it by the root.
I true. Sorry, bro, police.
Hold it by the next way.
Oh, daddy, you have to pay for some jackfruit every week.
I want to get jackfruit from.
Oh, we have to get some jackfruit from we done our church tomorrow for you. Some big fat one. You hear? So when you are come?
When you gonna get it?
When we are get it, come
But
on.
tomorrow, church. Tomorrow at school, you come pick it.
And bring it home. Yeah.
See jackfruit tree.
Alright, so tomorrow I'll come for you.
Yeah.
I'm coming for it
So when we
tomorrow.
come from school tomorrow, we just pick them. How much you want? Look, man, tell me pick 2, me pick 4. How much that you know?
Yeah.
Me pick
But not if you pick so much.
Yeah, me pick 1, you pick 1. 2 you want, don't you know?
Yeah.
1 for look, man, 1 for me.
Yeah.
I can't be up here, you know. I'm really tough. I have a best set for them. I ask if it's cold, daddy asked about that. I'm not fast. Why do you want to go party? You see my bed? And tell daddy?
You're not supposed to.
No, I asked if my bed.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Yeah, look at my boy. Now what do you think? You're not going to forget no party again. You said, come on, that's all I have to do.
You can, baby.
See, then, what do we
Well,
want to go back?
I'll make you work on a radio station. Make you work on a radio station, come baby.
My father buy me a camera right now.
We are fling for your old stop toko. Guys, so the jackfruit not ready yet. They're not baby ones. Go on, miss. I'm not bother fling anymore. See this view when you're here? So beautiful, man. I love this view so much. Yeah? Why are you flinging on the old stop toko? Eh?
Tell Tina what you got.
What?
They're pretty.
Thank you, Daddy.
Then you're going to eat it. Why are you keeping the poster?
Alright then, so I'm gonna go in now.
She jackfruit.
Let me see, where they get that one then?
Oh, yeah. You just cut off. Right, alright.
Let me see.
Let
Let me see. That one there, rock the man.
You know where right now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let me see this.
So we'll get a good one down at church.
Yeah.
My cousin that I.
Cousin.
She did pan.
Mommy, this daddy.
Hi, Michelle.
Big up, big up. Alright.
And she said she want jackfruit.
Yeah. Thank you so much, man. Respect, man, every time.
You're welcome.
Alright then, big up. Yeah. Yeah. That jackfruit there look like it's rock.
Alright, I do. Can get a other one for you down at church.
Yeah.
So tell Kenisha now make before you go away.
Oh.
Tell her so we're gonna stop at church tomorrow and pick them. Mommy, so Kino say we will stop at church tomorrow.
You know what? I never say I want to stop at church. I want to tell me so I don't get my jackfruit.
No, we say we have to stop at church, so we have to tell her first.
Okay, so you tell her. I don't say Kino say.
House, mommy, we have to pick a big jackfruit for Kino over church. I'm saying I come for them tomorrow. I will not make her eat them.
Cranberry will stick me up, but Kino say. You miss.
Yeah, my father, we can't call him again.
Alright, guys, so. But the water clear up.
Yeah. You made the water clean. After you come.
Yeah, bring back the clean water.
Mommy, the water is there to clean up for me. Daddy, I miss you, you know.
You miss me?
Yeah.
You're gonna miss me more. Kenisha, look more, yeah? Yeah.
And thanks to the talk, Daddy. I'm going to send you a picture of me at the car place, you know.
You don't have to send me no picture.
And Jaisha, them trust me. Jaisha, why do you want to buy the car place? You know, see me big car place and ask me when I go last time car place. Look at my life. My mother gave some of my car place the day when she buy the car place. Like I said, Jaisha alone in there.
What she buy?
Yo, when Jaisha go, who she give first? Jaisha.
That's when she cook cornflakes different from cooking up some
So we don't cook too damn good, no?
cook cornflakes.
You cook cornflakes? Who cook cornflakes? You cook cornflakes?
No, I boil the water if you want hot water or cold water or warm.
She cook cornflakes, yeah. Hey, look at miss. She a cook cornflakes. Yes, sir. The water get back clear.
No.
Oh, honey. The water get back clear, wow.
Come, Daddy. No stopping. Oh, say.
No, the rest of them back something.
Leave it. Oh, boom?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not seeing how time now.
Boom and I come.
Boom, I'm not come.
Boomer is not coming today.
So we find one jackfruit with the rotten Esther. When the rotten it's in the bush. You want to cut it?
You can't rotten jackfruit and
No, rotten, but it's brown.
Alright.
Left it there, sir. Go on to it, look, man.
Look, man, go put it on.
You have a knife, man, you? Go on to it, look, man. You have a knife, man, you, wow? You have a knife, wow?
No.
You have knife there, sometimes.
You have knife there?
Yeah, knife, you know that, but the fish.
Cut it and see. So guys, the water kind of get clear now. you say? I see the water. Oh. Go on. Where that go? You something? What is it? Yeah.
Under the tree?
No, under the tree.
Is that in a bush?
Yeah. Under the tree.
You can have bush, no, I can't find it.
Would I cut it now and see?
Search for my something, mom, I tell you.
Beat up and beat up. Beat up. Boom!
Pick up on the
Have
rock.
knife?
On the rock.
Beat up, mash up, man.
Yeah, man. Beat up, see me, man.
So what is that bush?
Remember that on the boat? And when we go there, we just pick it up.
And that tree like it?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, tree. Which tree?
Nice, that's it.
When?
That's how I'm going to we'll get the jack.
So I'm looking at a tree and I never see it.
What? Don't get bottom part.
Don't get bottom part?
Yeah.
Oh.
I smell it, that's a
Come here, look up at the top.
It's the big jackfruit gone.
What do you say, number one?
Ah, for me.
Soft, you know, well soft, you know.
Tomorrow we have some big jackfruit that's in our for them. Okay.
When I go sweet, you know, Esther.
you cut over right.
Esther, come here. Tomorrow I get big jackfruit.
This one I go sweet.
See that
Then I put dirt on the bench.
Eh?
I put dirt on the bench.
No, I ask tomorrow when you come in here.
Alright, put dirt in there.
You see any knife, wow, chef?
Come on, go off your knife.
Go off your knife, cranberry. Run, go on, uncle. Alright, go run with the knife.
Boom, look at it. Ever since I passed out, I'm also coming to treatment. Look at it. I'm put in charge.
Knife.
Soft part, you know,
The knife. Dolo. Is it pretty?
Over right.
Knife. Dolo.
Face come on.
Yes.
Right.
Them part, them have to cut up them part, them one of them.
Boom.
The knife. Dolo.
Knife, dolo.
Yeah.
Can't cut a soul.
Put them soft part.
Right, you can smell it.
Over.
Override.
That's where it's like me a fight the knife.
Just cut the face now, yeah.
Look away to the knife from.
Yeah.
Oh, but I can't take it.
Look one bag, I put something in the camera. No rest, and I put that car.
In a bag, you eat it now. Just want to eat now.
Tomorrow I get some big one for them, yeah, Esther? Tina, them I come for them, that me and said.
The one when we get things off later, freeze them there. I'm playing them.
And have a cut off by that.
Yeah, but
Hey, my face from there, you. Talk up.
Get up.
I think a lizard now fair now. Give no look.
they can, but you can't take me.
run it down.
Tara.
Tara, excuse from there, Tara, mind the knife. Talk off, mind the hand with the knife.
No, I can't.
Chicks, are you eat them, you have said?
Yeah, for Travis, you know.
That's a black one.
See? That's it.
That knife done.
Remember, only use a knife, yeah?
How mother shot me and try use.
Oh.
I find the shot me it though.
Yeah.
Where your mother shot it with?
Find.
Oh.
Through the, she not find the fire to shot me.
Talk up. I'm two now. You have more knife.
Yeah,
You have more knife.
yeah, cold.
That's when I sharp on it.
Eh? Whoa. Yeah,
Bakabanga.
You want jackfruit, boom?
You're not getting none, boom. I lie. Yes, the boom beat me. It lit. He do that. You're going to talk me. I ran party up with the name of that. Nino.
Very nice.
Nice.
Come on, take the stick from you from to my eye.
You tell you use the last.
As that me say.
I really boom in here, me.
You know that sweet.
Rasta boom.
Because it's like it's going to get rotten now.
Rasta boom.
Like it's going to get rotten.
20.
Yeah.
That's why.
Yes, you have to do things
Not that sweet.
Yes,
Like it's going to override. Like it's going to get rotten.
You know what?
you have food that you eat. We have, look at it, Esther, we live near the tree alive.
But the tree down.
Look at it left back. No, they're going to change it, they're going to get one big one. Look at my big one tomorrow. Big one. So I'm going to let you know. Thank you, cranberry and lucuma. You know, so we talk like for another song. Thank you, cranberry. Oh, I saw the white man talk.
You got same school. Now look how man came out.
All the cat I eat jackfruit.
They wrong him. We'll get thicker than this up there. It's a rotten. That's a eat.
Lucuma, no, it's alright over there. I see you.
The talk about me say.
Pay carve talk or carve too.
You're cold.
Too much water.
I'm not all tight. When you go, when you're out of pop now, I feel it.
So you have asthma?
About that, my hair go, I'm going to right now, if you lick my mother, get asthma pill. Asthma are free now.
I don't know, they come here and I think that's what my dad is. Yeah? I'm going to put my dad. Hello, Jeff. Yeah?
Are the eat sugar it or the cold, I'm saying? They're chopping sugar it.
Yeah, they eat.
I eat sugar, man.
And the water, them in.
Daddy.
Asthma.
Really? No, dama ka at. You know, they don't look like old, they were put on back now. You look like a chef. At night, no, you know, long we can go on and go away. We just over there, so I pull in belly and sit down. When Nana one done. And then?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.